Morning habits that could be harming you. Margaret is 68. Every morning, she wakes up early, walks into the kitchen, and drinks a big glass of water, feeling proud, feeling healthy. After all, every article she's ever read says to hydrate first thing in the morning. But something's wrong. Despite her healthy habits, she often feels lightheaded. Sometimes she's bloated. Other days, her joints ache more than usual. I thought I was doing something good for my body, she told me during a consultation. And she was, except she was doing it wrong. Drinking water in the morning seems simple. But as we age, even this basic act can become a potential health trap if done carelessly. Most people assume that any water habit is a good water habit, but that's a misconception. Especially for those over 60, certain mistakes can lead to indigestion, blood pressure problems, joint pain, or worse. In my more than 30 years as a geriatrician and preventative care specialist, I've seen countless seniors suffer from the silent failures of something as innocuous as their water habits. The good news? Every one of these mistakes is avoidable. Here's a guide to understanding the 5 most common and dangerous mistakes seniors make when it comes to drinking water in the morning. And more importantly, I'll show you how to turn each habit into a powerful wellness ritual that supports heart health, kidney function, cognitive acuity, and overall vitality. Let's find out. 1. Drinking too fast, the silent shock to the system. You just woke up. Your blood pressure is lower than normal. Your kidneys are still straining from a night's sleep. And then, boom, you gulp down 16 ounces of cold water like a college student after a marathon. Not ideal. What happens inside? Drinking a large amount of water quickly on an empty stomach can cause your blood pressure to drop suddenly. This can lead to dizziness, especially in older people who already have orthostatic hypertension or cardiovascular disease. The kidneys are also still in resting mode, and suddenly kicking them into gear is like expecting your car to accelerate from 0 to 100 without starting the engine. True story, Walter, a 72-year-old retired engineer, came into my office complaining of recurring dizziness. His blood tests were normal. No diabetes. No anemia. It was a mystery. Until he casually mentioned drinking 2 glasses of water every morning within 5 minutes of waking up. When we slowed him down, sipping over a 30-minute period, his symptoms disappeared within a week. Doctor's recommendation? Start with 2 to 3 sips of room temperature water within the first 10 minutes of waking up. Drink a glass slowly over the next 30 to 60 minutes. Incorporate gentle stretching or seated breathing to help your body adjust to the morning state. Hydration should feel like a warm hug, not a cold slap. 2. Drink water before brushing your teeth. Give your gut an overnight dose of bacteria. It's easy to assume that your body is ready to drink water as soon as you wake up. But what about your mouth? Not necessarily. The problem, overnight, bacteria thrive in our mouths. That's why we wake up with morning breath. These bacteria are natural, but drinking water before brushing your teeth essentially sends them straight into your digestive tract. Why this matters more for seniors? Our gut flora becomes more sensitive as we age. An accidental sip of bacteria-rich water may not cause illness, but it can contribute to bloating, indigestion, or even aggravate existing gut conditions like IBS or GERD. A real-life story, Ellen, 70, suffered from chronic bloating despite eating a clean diet. It wasn't until she changed her morning routine, brushing her teeth first, then drinking water, that her digestive system became more comfortable again. Sometimes, it's not what we eat, but what we accidentally swallow. What to do? Brush your teeth before taking your first sip. If necessary, rinse your mouth with warm water to freshen up before heading to the kitchen. Want to improve? Scraping your tongue will remove more of the bacteria buildup. A clean mouth is equal to a cleaner gut is equal to a happier morning. 3. Lemon water made wrong when acid attacks. Lemon water is trendy. It's detoxifying, refreshing, Instagram-worthy. But is it always good for you? The short answer, not when it's too strong or when you drink it on an empty stomach. The science, lemons contain citric acid. When consumed in high concentrations, especially in older people with sensitive stomach linings or reflux, it can irritate the esophagus and weaken tooth enamel. Over time, this can lead to gastritis, ulcers, or mouth sensitivity. Patient story: Mary, a 66-year-old yoga teacher, switched to drinking lemon water instead of coffee. But her acid reflux got worse. She thought it was age-related. But it wasn't. Diluting the lemon water and drinking it after a small snack completely transformed her morning. Best practices: use only 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice per cup. Always dilute in room temperature or warm water. Avoid brushing your teeth immediately after drinking lemon water. Wait 30 minutes to protect enamel. Natural remedies work, but only when used wisely. 4. The cold water riddle, a cold mistake. Cold water feels refreshing. But your organs don't think so, especially first thing in the morning. How your body reacts: ice-cold water can constrict blood vessels, slowing down digestive enzyme activity and causing stomach upset. In older adults, this effect may be more pronounced due to reduced blood flow and slower metabolic responses. Related to arthritis, cold internal temperatures can also worsen joint stiffness in people with arthritis. Think of it like pouring ice water into a stiff pipe. It doesn't loosen it, it tightens it. Clinic notes: George, 74, is a fan of morning smoothies with cold water as a base. He switched to warm ginger water and noticed his stiffness lessened within a few days. Tip: stick to room temperature or lukewarm water. Add warming spices like ginger or cinnamon for added anti-inflammatory benefits. Hydration helps your body flow, not freeze. 5. Stand, walk, and sip, digestive disorders. Multitasking while drinking water may save time, but it's bad for your gut. The problem: drinking water while standing or walking can lead to swallowing air, aerophagia, disrupting your stomach's rhythm, and reducing nutrient absorption. The digestive system loves a quiet, seated state, especially in the morning. Case study: Rosa, 69, is always busy, watering plants, checking mail, feeding the dog. Bloating? Chronic. When she switched to a slow, seated, deep breathing ritual, she felt a significant difference. Doctor's tip: sit down. Even if it's just for 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on sipping. Breathe. Be still. Make rehydration a mindfulness exercise. Stillness aids absorption. 6. Skipping morning hydration entirely, a dangerous mistake. Some mornings, you may not feel thirsty. So you skip the water and head straight to the coffee shop. It's a small decision, but it could cost your body more than you think. What's happening? As we age, our thirst mechanisms become less responsive. That means your body can need water without even signaling it. Skipping hydration can lead to mild dehydration, which can affect brain function, bowel movements, energy levels, and even mood. Viewer story: Helen, 68, couldn't figure out why she felt sluggish every morning despite drinking coffee at 8 a.m. Adding half a cup of warm water beforehand kept her alert until lunch. Your move? Don't wait until you feel thirsty. Start your day with a gentle hydration ritual, even if it's just half a cup. Drink coffee after water. Water first is awareness first. Create your personal hydration blueprint. Here's how to turn these lessons into your own routine. 7-minute morning hydration ritual. Brush your teeth. Sit still. Take 3 deep breaths. Sip 1/3 of a cup of warm water. Pause. Breathe. Sip another 1/3. Finish with some meditation or stretching. Optional, add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of cinnamon for added flavor and benefits. Finish, a gentle reminder from your doctor. You've come this far, and that says something powerful about you. It says that you care. That you're curious. That you don't want to age passively. Every sip you take in the morning is a silent act of love for your organs, your bones, your brain, and your future. This isn't about fear, it's about wisdom. Wisdom accumulated over many years. Now, you just need to apply it intentionally. Let your morning begin not with a rush, but with a ritual. And remember, you're never too old to feel vibrant. Taking care of your body doesn't require grand gestures, it starts with the smallest, most intentional habits. Something as simple as how you drink your water in the morning can either support or sabotage your health. But now, you're empowered with knowledge. You've learned how to avoid the silent mistakes that can creep into your daily routine and how to replace them with gentle, life-giving rituals. So give yourself credit. You're choosing awareness. You're choosing vitality. And that choice matters. If this video sparked a new perspective, reminded you of someone you care about, or even just made you pause and reflect, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up. Every like, comment, and share helps this message reach more people who need it. Speech Balloon, I'd love to hear from you. What part of today's insight surprised you the most? Or do you have a morning ritual that works wonders for you? Let's build a community where we share wisdom, inspire each other, and grow stronger together. And if you haven't already, subscribe. The next video will dive into another often overlooked health habit that could be quietly affecting your longevity and energy levels. You won't want to miss it. Because remember, you're never too old to feel vibrant. And it can all start with something as small as a sip of water. Until next time, stay well, stay curious, and take good care of that amazing body of yours.